Hello everyone. Really sorry for not posting in quite a while. I think it's been like 20 days or something. I'm not quite sure. I've looked through the comments on my last video and I've seen a lot of you struggle with getting NeoLegacy to work or, downloading it. And some of you also have problems with adding custom legacy executables. So I'm gonna help you guys with that as well. So first of all, you might want to know why you can't get NeoLegacy to work, or like why you can't download it. It's because NeoLegacy recently got hit with a DMCA, which basically means Microsoft took their repo down and said like, hey, you can't do this. And yeah, they took it down because Microsoft owns GitHub, so they just said, no, I'm gonna take it down. So they took it down, and right, so now you just can't use that anymore. But they did switch over to GitLab, so you can still get the official release from here, as you can see, or use as the download link. So you can still get the official release from there. But for now, I'm gonna show how you can get NeoLegacy to work again on the Emerald Legacy Launcher. So if you go to the Emerald Launcher release page, which is on GitHub, they did not get DMCA yet, but if you go to releases here, you're gonna see there's a new release which was released last week, and I just want you to download, app image or flatpak or exe. If you're on Linux, you're gonna download the setup exe, obviously. If you're on Linux, you're gonna use app image, deb, or RPM. If you're on macOS, you're gonna use this image, like DMG. Or you can also use the flatpak, which just works on Linux, but yeah, that's about it. Or you just use these. But basically, once you download them, you're gonna open your file explorer, and you're gonna go to where you saved the thing, right, like the executable, and you're gonna run it. And you're going to see that they updated it, so now we have like a splash screen which displays everything. Not really anything special. But if you load into the new update for the first time, you're gonna see up here there's a notification saying something like NeoLegacy has a new update or whatever. And all you just need to do is go on versions. And right here you see NeoLegacy, you press on these three dots here and go to update. Like right here it should say update. If it doesn't say that for you because you never installed NeoLegacy before, then you just press download. Like it should just say download right here, or you just press this button here. Yeah, it should show like this, right? So you just press this and it downloads it for you. This is because they are now using the official GitLab repo instead of the GitHub one, so they fixed that. Older releases do not have this, and you need to manually update them, which is the reason why you couldn't download NeoLegacy. So this clears it up, hopefully. As for adding custom legacy editions, right? Like as you can see right here, I have NeoLegacy Beta, which is really easy to add, right? So like I've said before, you can get the release easily from GitLab, right? Like they show right here. Now, basically said, if you download it, Discord just tells me, okay, it's like potentially dangerous downloads. Then you just go to like save it somewhere. I'm gonna save it in my documents, right? And then once it's saved, which is gonna take some time, so I'm gonna save your time for a second here. Hello everyone, editing and excuse here. I've noticed whilst editing the video I've made quite a few mistakes. That is one being that I've told y'all to use the zip file instead of extracting it. So here is me fixing that. So once you download the zip file from your preferred legacy, custom edition, whatever you're going to download, you will want to extract it. So you're going to open your file browser. On Windows, macOS, and Linux, it should all be the same. Depends on Linux which one you use. On Windows you also have custom ones, but it doesn't matter. Just open your file browser, and you're probably going to see this zip, release.zip, or it's gonna say custom legacy edition.zip or just legacy edition.zip. Depends on which custom version you're downloading, because I don't know. But basically, when you have that downloaded, you're going to right click it. You're going all the way down to extract, and you're going to click on extract here. Now for me it's gonna duplicate it, so we have release exclamation mark 2, not exclamation mark, like we have release 2 here because I already extracted it like twice. So anyways, double click it and check if you see these contents. you're going to want to see Minecraft client.exe. If you do not see this, you might have downloaded something which you will need to build yourself. And I will not make a tutorial on how you can build this stuff yourself, like code, like the code, like build it. I'm not gonna demonstrate that here, but basically you need to make sure you have this exe in your file, like in this folder. And what you're then going to do is open your file browser, and then open the NeoLegacy launcher, or just in general open the NeoLegacy launcher. Now you guys have to wait for a bit here because I can't skip this cutscene. I don't know why they did that. It's still pretty cool. Anyways, once you're in, you're going to go on versions, and you want to go to this folder icon right here, which if you hover over it, it says import custom T, which is exactly what you want. Then go to your preferred location where you save the folder, right? So in this case it's documents for me, so I go to documents, and here it shows release, like just a folder. Double click it. Do not select any of the folders in here, just double click it and go and select. Now it's gonna say import custom to you. You can give it a name. You should definitely give it a name so you can memorize what it is. I will just say custom NeoLegacy. And then you're just gonna click on import. You can give it a description, but you don't have to. And then you import it, right? And once it's imported, you can just click on it, which will then select it, and then you can just run it. Then you just press play game, and it should open it for you. That's the whole process. It's not really hard. And yeah, everything else should be cleared up, like in the parts before this editing. So I hope NeoLegacy works for you guys again, or for the people who asked in my comments. And if you don't even know what I'm talking about in general, please watch my, most recent video. But yeah, I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any more problems. Write it down in the comments. I will try my best to make it to make a video about it as soon as I can. Also, let me know if I should start making actual Minecraft YouTube content, because I am more into that and I'm low-key thinking about it. But that's for you guys to decide. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped, and have a good one. See you next time.